Are scam emails filling up your Outlook or Hotmail inbox, making it messy and even risky to use? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop every single scam email and keep your inbox clean, safe, and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your Outlook or Hotmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the little gear icon. That's your settings. It's usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and then select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the menu. Now, head to the Mail section, and under that, click on Junk Email. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two main options here: blocked senders and domains, and safe senders and domains. Start with blocked senders and domains. This is where you can stop those annoying scam emails for good. Simply type in the email address or even the entire domain you want to block. For example, if spam keeps coming from weirdpromos.com, type that in and hit add. From now on, Outlook will automatically filter out anything from that address or domain, sending it straight to junk or deleting it entirely. Next, let's make sure you don't miss important messages. Under safe senders and domains, add your trusted contacts in contacts like friends, family, or work emails to ensure their messages always land in your main inbox. Here's an extra tip. Scroll a bit further down and you'll see options to filter links and attachments from unknown senders. Enabling these adds an extra layer of protection against phishing scams and malicious content. And that's it. You've just taken full control of your Outlook inbox. No more scam emails cluttering your space or putting your information at risk. Make sure to revisit your blocked and safe lists every few months. Keeping them updated will help you stay one step ahead of spammers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep your email security settings sharp and share these steps with someone who's constantly fighting off scam emails. Stay safe and enjoy your cleaner inbox.